Okay, so we're gonna put soap on the color moccasin. This is a new soap. The lot number here is the latest of the one we got, and the lot number is 13801000028.
That's not the lot number, it's a batch number underneath.
Oh. 09-002056.
There we go.
I'll give you both.
Okay, there we go.
You gotta be an IP up in here. Okay, so we put the soap normal on our trowel. You don't want to put too much, and have it like in a nice 90-degree angle. You want to compress it into the third coat. You don't want to leave it thick at all. Nice and tight. If you notice, I'm doing it just like a third coat application. And the main thing is you want to let that marino absorb it in, for it to get sucked in, and then you come back and buff it. So we'll wait like 5 minutes or so to come back and buff it. If you notice, I use very little soap, and the same soap that I had in my trowel, I covered up both these samples. So I didn't put it really thick at all. Very easy application. We'll wait like a minute or two before we puff it. Okay, then you're going to come back with a white rag, dry white rag, cotton. Come back and do circular motions on it. So it's nice and tight. Now soap does have somewhat of a powder, but if you notice, the board looks great. And if you don't polish it right, like let's say the areas are less burnished, that part with the soap could turn a little bit pasty looking. So you gotta make sure you burnish the wall correctly. Come back to the other sample. Just buff it out in circular motions. And that's it. You're done. It gives you a better feel, a luster feel on it. And to me, it brings more depth to the product. I like the reaction it has to it. You notice, no white pasty. It's all good. You come back, you buff it. So the main thing is how much soap you put on your wall. You don't want to put it thick at all. You want to compress that soap into the wall.
Closer. Put your face here. Put your face by that sample right there.
You want to put the soap in the wall. And that's it. Very simple. So simple, a caveman could do it. Geico.
Let's open this sucker up here.
Soap from Firenzecolor.
That's it.